The tension on our Acratech ball heads is very easy to set. All of the knobs on all of our Acratech products are standard right-hand threads and tighten and increase tension in the clockwise direction. First, loosen the main knob all of the way. Now tighten the tension knob until you have the desired amount of friction on the ball. The ball should have some friction on it and should not be floppy loose. The main knob can now be used to lock and unlock the ball head in about half a turn. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can visit our website at acratech.net, or you can send me an email at info@acratech.net. Thank you.